And just like that, this AI bot trades completely by itself on Axiom Trade. No human input, no control, nothing. It does all the work automatically. The bot scans on-chain data, social media, news, literally thousands of signals to make faster and smarter trades than any human ever could. Yes, it's not perfect. Sometimes it loses too, but way less often than a human trader, and in the long run, the profits are much higher. Alright, let me show you how to launch it and get everything set up step by step. Hey everyone, welcome to the Blizzo channel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up and start this AI trading bot. First thing, go to memetrader.guru. Be careful with the address, don't end up on a fake site. I'll leave the official link down below in the comments. On the website, you can see which platforms the bot supports. And what's cool, they even posted my previous video guide there because it helped a lot of traders. Maybe they'll post this one too, who knows? Right now, the bot works best for Axiom Trade and Padre.gg, but in this video, I'm sticking with Axiom. Head over to the Start page. Everything is explained clearly there. Step 1. Activate your bookmarks bar in the browser. Here's how. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus B, and boom, it shows up. Now, drag the little activation button for the bot right into your bookmarks bar. Then, go back to the Axiom page and click it. Sometimes it starts on the second or third try. That's fine. Just remember, it won't work if your balance is 0. The bot only runs with at least one SOL in the account, so it doesn't waste time or system resources. Once you click the button, you'll see the settings menu. By default, it's already configured with the best default setup, the one that gives the most profit. So don't change anything. Just hit Start. And that's it. Now you can sit back and watch as the bot analyzes, buys, and sells all automatically. Just make sure your computer doesn't go to sleep mode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if my videos help you out, and drop a like on this one too.